Hey there, fellow watch enthusiasts and adventurers. Welcome back to Xiaochen O'Clock. If you ask any watch collector, beginner or veteran, to name the best affordable automatic watch, chances are they'll say one thing: Seiko 5. But what makes the Seiko 5 lineup so legendary? Today, we're going to break it all down: its history, its unbeatable value, and some of the most iconic Seiko 5 models you need to know about. So, buckle up and let's dive in. 1. The history and legacy of Seiko 5. Origins in 1963. The Seiko 5 series was introduced as Japan's first automatic watch with a day-date complication, offering affordability, durability, and reliability. What the 5 stands for: automatic movement, day-date complication, water resistance, recessed crown at 4 o'clock, durability, shock and magnetism resistance. Since then, the Seiko 5 has become one of the most beloved watch lines in the world, proving that you don't need to spend thousands to get a reliable, stylish, and well-built automatic timepiece. 2. What makes Seiko 5 the best budget watch? Durability. Seiko 5 models are robust, with features such as Hardlix crystal, stainless steel cases, and solid water resistance up to 100 meters. Reliability. Seiko 5 models use tried and tested automatic movements like the 7S26, 4R36, NH35, and 6R35, depending on the model. Affordability. Most models are under $500, with many available for under $200. Variety. From dive-inspired watches to dress pieces, there's a Seiko 5 for everyone. 3. The best Seiko 5 model ranges you should know. The everyday beaters and classics. SRPG 61. Cement, a modern Seiko 5 sports model with a textured gray dial and urban aesthetic. Sneak 805. Green, SNK 793. Blue, SNK 357. Silver, the go-to affordable field watches, compact and versatile. SRPG 27. A military-inspired daily wearer that embodies Seiko 5's tough, no-nonsense style. The limited edition and pop culture icons. SRPJ 39. Yuto Horigome Limited Edition. Inspired by the Olympic gold medalist skateboarder, this model has street-style flair. SRPF 70. Naruto Uzumaki Limited Edition. Features a vibrant orange dial, inspired by the iconic anime character. SRPF 23rd Street Fighter, Blanca, Limited Edition. A bold green and yellow design paying homage to the legendary video game character. SRPE 83K1 Brian May Limited Edition. A tribute to Queen's guitarist, featuring the same color scheme as his Red Special guitar. The divers and sportier picks. SRPD 53K1, Pepsi. A Seiko 5 sports diver with a Pepsi bezel, perfect for that classic dive watch look. SRPC 65, Bottle Cap. Unique, rounded case with a chunky dive aesthetic. SNSF 17, Sea Urchin. The budget alternative to the Rolex Submariner, featuring a classic dive design. SRP 605K2 Diver Automatic. A beefy tool watch with 100 meters water resistance and a rugged design. The GMT and travel watches. SSK 003, GMT. A blue bezel Seiko 5 GMT, offering true traveler functionality at an affordable price. The dress and vintage-inspired pick. Sneakle 23, Tuxedo Dial. One of the most refined budget dress watches you can buy, often called the poor man's Grand Seiko. SRPE 53, Dress KX. A minimalist and understated dress watch with a rugged sports watch feel. SNKE 01K1, Explorer. A Rolex Explorer homage that delivers vintage charm at a fraction of the price. SNG 57, 55 Fathoms. Inspired by the Blancpain 50 Fathoms, with a stunning bezel insert and vintage diver aesthetic. SNK 27, Speed Racer. A racing-inspired Seiko 5, perfect for automotive enthusiasts. 4. Why Seiko 5 remains unbeatable in 2025. 1. Insane value. You get an in-house automatic movement, strong build quality, and versatile designs at an unbeatable price. 2. Perfect for beginners. The Seiko 5 is often a collector's first mechanical watch, thanks to its affordability and reliability. 3. A true collector's item. With so many variations, limited editions, and iconic designs, Seiko 5 watches are highly collectible. 4. Strong resale value. While they're budget-friendly, some limited editions gain value over time, making them a smart buy. So, there you have it. Why Seiko 5 is the ultimate budget watch and a breakdown of some of the best models available today. Which Seiko 5 is your favorite? Do you own one? Let me know in the comments. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you don't miss out on more awesome watch content. And if you want to support the channel, share this video with your fellow watch enthusiasts. And as always, keep your watches ticking and your passion alive. Until next time, stay timeless.